Mazda CX-5 in specifications. After the achievement of its little hatchback variation called Mazda 2, now the maker from the state Sakura, Mazda, rebreathed life into the opposition of the car showcase in Indonesia with the arrival of the most recent auto right. This time, presented by Mazda as the Mazda CX-5, which is put on a column of hybrid autos or little SUV kind of hybrid auto. Most recent Mazda discharge will finish a line of new autos that beforehand Mazda likewise possessed by the all-new Mazda 6. The nearness of Mazda CX-5 will likewise add to the hot rivalry of hybrid autos in the nation. Appeared as a little SUV class auto, Mazda CX-5 brings a heap of cutting-edge highlights and obviously an effective motor. Mazda CX-5. New Mazda CX-5. This most recent age was intentionally displayed Mazda Indonesia to the nation to contend with its rivals. As we probably are aware, before Mazda discharged Mazda CX-5, Open Car Sweethearts Indonesia has the entry of Honda HR-V. As a top-notch item, obviously Mazda did not disturb this new toy. Accompanies a more good-looking appearance, Mazda CX-5 is likewise furnished with parts of an all-the-more effective kitchen runway. As yet depending on Skyactiv motor innovation that is so joined to the Mazda auto, Mazda CX-5 additionally accompanies a decision of various sorts to address the issues of Indonesian car sweethearts, particularly the individuals who are aficionados of hybrid-kind autos. Generally this auto has what different benefits, huh? Inquisitive would it say it isn't? All things considered, this time Mazda has a full audit of the particulars and costs. Mazda CX-5, which is indicated by the arrangement, will start to be promoted in mid-May 2015.